We are headed into the Terror Maze over here in Springfield, Ohio. This is a gritty, old school haunted trail, and we're gonna take you inside with us. So without further ado, let's go get some scares.
Oh. Hello there. Hi. You got something on your head.
Okay, Buckeye.
There's definitely somebody there. Holy crap. Oh my goodness. That's kind of like a Barbie character mask. You took Barbie's head. Oh. Work it. Work it.
Yay.
Woo! Oh God.
Oh God.
That's awesome.
Whoa! Yep.
Oh gosh. Just stay up there. Stay up there. Oh.
No.
There's something in the middle of the path.
Uh-oh.
Do you see it?
It's like a...
What is
Oh,
that?
God.
Whoa! Oh, jeez.
Somebody with that thing.
Okay.
Hit
Just,
somebody.
holy
Get out of
crap.
the way.
Well, what are we supposed to do with this guy?
Oh man.
I don't know.
I think he's already dead.
He
so
can stay
we'll just
there.
Leave him.
Yeah, we'll just leave him
We'll
there.
just leave
You
him.
can just chill right
Sit
there.
tight, buddy.
That'd be convenient for whoever puts him in one of these coffins. Oh,
Oh!
God. Whispers.
It says
Push.
push.
Oh, God.
What
He
was
came up behind
that?
us. He's
Oh
gonna
my
s-
God.
he's gonna
Look out,
board.
Trevor.
He's gonna
It
hit
says
us.
push, over.
I don't want to push.
Push,
You gotta push on the body.
Oh, crap.
Push.
Oh, no.
Oh.
I mean, you didn't have to push on her face. You just
Well,
pushed on
well,
anyone
why
else on the
not?
door.
Oh, God.
Oh, God.
What is that?
I don't know.
Oh, no.
It all happens so fast.
Was that teeth? Sir. Okay. You
What
should
did you do
not
to her?
do that.
Oh man.
You
That's what he used the
Do we
teeth
go
for.
this way?
Not very nice.
Shoot her up a
Oh,
little
jeez.
bit.
Oh, jeez. Oh, God.
nervous.
Ew.
God. See, when I say what I want back scratches, that's what I'm talking
Oh,
Right. That's a hell of a
about. That's how hard I
scratch.
want a back scratch.
Oh, no,
no,
that's not where
that's
that
horrible.
goes.
That's bad. That's
That's not
really
where
bad.
that goes.
No. What even is that thing?
Hey,
No,
stop.
no, get back up there.
No. Nope. I'm gonna opt out of that
Oh,
one.
no.
It's gonna keep going.
They're sawing some wood,
Keep
Tyler.
on moving on.
Oop, they're
Oh, good
God, night.
Yes. We come to meet you, our other friends. Oh,
well, that is not a friend. That's not a friend. I don't know if that's a friend.
No. Oh, no.
They're surrounding us.
Come on, yeah.
Behind us.
Okay.
Oh, God.
I'd like to go. We're still getting out of here, right?
Ugh,
I see a strobe light. That looks safe.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Head towards the light and all that.
Yeah.
Maybe not.
Oh, we've been waiting for hours. Come on.
It was 2 minutes.
What? There was a shortcut there?
Uh-oh. God. Jeez. I don't like that.
Chainsaws.
We really
Should we
don't
take one of
know.
these?
We're trying to.
We're trying not to
We might
die.
need a chainsaw.
Do you know the Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man.
The Muffin Man.
Okay. I don't know if I want to find the Muffin Man. Because I don't trust him.
I hope he's not out of gumdrop buttons.
Oh, God. Okay,
Muffin
Muffin
Man. Where you stick that thing?
Wow.
Do we go that way?
no.
Okay, yeah, I guess we maybe go that way. How the hell did you get over there?
Went to your mom's house.
Oh.
I was just saying, there's a lot of foot traffic. You need to get
A lot of foot traffic.
Right.
Oh. My life. Oh, jeez.
There's a real
head.
pig. Oh, he's got an eyeball now.
Oh my God. That is not
Poking eye out with
necessary.
that
What is even that thing?
I don't know.
It's a weapon he made.
Oh, God. It's actually a pipe reamer.
It's a what?
It's called a pipe reamer.
Oh my God.
Oh, they got that from your mom's house.
A lot of foot traffic.
Oh.
She's cute.
I don't know about this. Oh, see, I don't trust her. That's a really big hook. We're just gonna go into that sketchy house right there.
Sure.
I think.
You sure?
As long as you don't hook us.
Oh, why would I ever do that?
Well, because you look like you might.
I might.
He's got that glazed over look in his eye.
Yeah, he does. Oh God, that's real fresh.
Ooh.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Cute.
Wow, you have yourself quite the butcher shop out here.
Little piggy.
Oh,
Just need some wet mud. It'll be all right.
that's gross. Ew, there's a big pig snout in it.
Oh!
Yeah.
Nope.
Oh gosh, what is that? Oh, it's an incinerator.
You want to go in there?
No, I don't.
Yeah.
Never gonna pass.
Trevor said
For
yeah.
all of you.
That cow's eyes are shiny.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Woo!
Sticking around.
No, thank you. No, not with that. That's not necessary at all.
Plate.
No. No.
We'll see if we can find you one.
Oh.
What the heck is that?
No biting.
Easy.
I have no idea. Some kind of worm. I don't like this at all.
Hey! Oh, where you been?
Out there.
Well, come on, you're late for dinner back here. We've been waiting all night for you.
Okay, okay. No. Trevor, in the back.
Trevor, come on.
He's first. It ain't me. Oh, that's nice and squishy.
Oh my God.
Do not trust the Yeah.
Welcome to Clown Town.
Clown Town.
I'm the mayor. My name's Bobo.
I'm Nora.
Oh, yeah, I've been waiting for you.
Uh-oh.
You get the mayor's autograph.
Oh, yay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, she's part of the Bobo fan club.
Oh,
Yep,
no.
yep.
Yeah. We've got to dance.
Dance?
Yeah,
Okay.
let's go.
I don't know how to dance.
Well, you know, I'm a creepy clown, so I don't know how to dance either.
We're not supposed to trust clowns.
Nope.
Why am I here?
I don't know.
I'm not a clown.
You're not a clown. You're right.
Nope.
I'm not a clown.
Oh, hell no, not a clown with a chainsaw. Whoa! That is weird! Oh my God! Oh God! I don't know if I like that at all. No. Oh God! Crap! I just saw that. Woo! That's really cool.
Welcome to Clown Town.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Step right up, right this way.
Right this way.
Oh, I'm gonna go that way.
I get
Whoa.
squeeze my chicken.
Okay.
It says hot dog.
Hot dogs.
They have gallons or barrels of giggle juice.
Hell yeah. Giggle juice.
Yeah. I think we need some of that.
This is why all the stores are sold out.
We're not supposed to trust clowns.
Nope.
Bye.
Oh,
For
bye.
now.
Ooh, that one's missing a couple.
Definitely don't trust that one.
Whoa.
Oh God. Okay. Ugh.
Oh.
Nice. Oh, I don't need none of that. Oh, through the hearse. Ooh.
Thank you for not tasing us.
Oh.
Oh, this is cool.
Hey.
Through a hearse. Oh God, there's a clown on the other side. Hello. Ooh.
Wow. What's your favorite flavor?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Go on ahead and take the chocolate.
Oh, fudge. Is that? Woo! There's something over there. Yeah. Oh. You're awful bloody. Oh crap! That just took away anything I could see. Oh shoot! What is that? Oh, it's a rat.
Evil nieces.
Yeah. There's coffins up there. Are they coffins or caskets?
Comment below. All right, guys, well, that was Terror Maze over here in Springfield, Ohio. Let us know what you thought. If you enjoyed this one, I've got another haunt for you right here in the Springfield area. It's called Face Your Fears. That one is intense AF. They've got some crazy chainsaws in there, and they go full contact with us. I'll see you over in that video. Until then, stay scary.